Welcome. If you've been wondering how to hide archived chats on WhatsApp in the newest version, you're in the right place. Whether you want a cleaner chat list or just prefer a bit more privacy, this quick guide will walk you through every step you need to know. Before we dive in, it's good to understand what the archive feature actually does. When you archive a chat, WhatsApp moves it out of your main chat list and into a hidden section called Archived. It's great for organizing conversations or keeping some out of sight, but by default, new messages in those chats can bring them back to your main list unless you decide to change that. So let's go step by step on how to hide your archived chats the right way. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're using the latest version so the settings appear exactly as described here. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. From the small menu that appears, select Settings. This is where all of WhatsApp's customization options live. Once you're inside Settings, tap Chats. This section controls how your messages and conversations look and behave. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says Keep Chats Archived. You'll see a small switch beside it. If this option is turned on, it means that any archived chat will stay in the archived folder, even when new messages come in. To make archived chats automatically unhide when a new message is received, simply toggle this switch off. But if you prefer to keep them hidden, make sure the switch stays on. That's it, one small setting, and your archived chats will behave exactly the way you want. This method keeps your WhatsApp tidy and private without deleting anything. Once you've changed the setting, you can continue using WhatsApp normally, knowing your archived conversations are now properly tucked away. Thanks for watching.